Hello viewer, here is a picture we are going to edit there. I will add some adjustment features into that picture there. Cooling filter, yellow one. So we will go with it. It's looking good for that picture. Add some camera raw filter here. Add some temperature tint as well. Exposure there. Contrast, highlight, shadow. We will customize it first. Then we will apply the changes there. Make it okay. So let's add a paint there.